Welcome! In this video, we will cover the Field Central Field Tracker powered by Azuga. Field Tracker allows users to track the progress of their technicians and crews throughout the day and to review historical data. Once you have logged into your Field Central web account, navigate to Field Tracker via the main menu. At a quick glance, you will see your crews identified on the left-hand panel and on the map. In addition, you will notice the color-coded pins within the map that represent the selected day's visits and their locations. The color of the pin will correspond to which crew is assigned to the visit. Use the options on the left-hand side to select which specific crews you want to display. And then use the calendar to either select the current day or go back to review historical data. Review the map legend for details on the information the map displays. Here you will find which colors correspond to which visit statuses and which icons correspond to which events. Hover over the pins within the map to review information specific to that visit. When reviewing the crew's scheduled visits for the day, the truck represents their current location, and when the vehicle is off, the user will be able to hover over the truck and see ignition off. Once the vehicle turns on, this will update to GPS tracking. When the crew interacts with the first visit within their field app to signal that they are driving to the first visit, the admin user will see the status update on the left-hand panel and the inner color of the visit pin update based on the map legend. Once the crew has timed into the visit, the status will again update in addition to the pin's inner color. The user will also be able to see the breadcrumb path that the crew took to arrive to the visit. When the visit is marked as complete via the field app, the status and the inner pin color will update again to display this update. Once the crew confirms they are driving to the next visit within the field app, the visit status will update and the next pin will display the corresponding inner pin color. If a visit is marked as incomplete, the visit status will display this and the inner pin color will display as red. The breadcrumb path will update as the crew makes their way from visit to visit, and should a driving event take place, these will be displayed along the path with the corresponding icon. In this instance, we see that the crew was idling between visits 2 and 3. Additional information on how long the vehicle was idling is available upon further review. The crew will continue along their route from visit to visit, and the admin user will continue to see the various statuses update as they drive, time into visits, and either complete them or mark them as incomplete. Other driving events are captured if a crew is speeding or any hard braking. These events and others available can help identify potentially unsafe driving or unwanted behaviors. After all the visits are addressed and either complete or incomplete, the crew will return back to the shop at the end of their day. Users will notice that the green dot signifies the start point of their path, and when the day ends, a red dot will represent the end of the path. If you do not yet have Field Central Tracker, you will still get to see your crew's visits displayed on the map as pins and the colors that correspond to the crew's color identified on the left panel. Same as Field Central Tracker users, you will also be able to view the most recent visit status displayed within the crew block and within the inner color of the pin. Additional information about visits is still available when you hover over the pin. Ready to give it a go? Be sure to check out Field Tracker the next time you log in to stay up to date with your crew's statuses throughout the day and to review historical data.